How do you stop iPhone from showing suggested photos on lock screen wallpaper? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop iPhone from showing suggested photos on your lock screen wallpaper. So it could be really annoying if you keep seeing the suggested photos on your lock screen wallpaper. So in that case, what you can do is just head over to your settings on your device, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the Photos application and just click on it. So once you click on it, now all you have to do is just scroll down once again until you see this option called show featured content. So if you have allowed this to automatically appear on these devices, it will be seen on your for you or search in photos or in widgets. So you can simply disable it and your issue should be fixed just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.